In this video, we listed the 5 best enclosed 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Pro 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M Pro 3D printer combines efficiency with creativity, offering high-performance capabilities for diverse printing projects. It features rapid heating with a nozzle that reaches 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, allowing swift realization of designs without delays. The Core XY structure and all-metal frame ensure stability during high-speed movements, maintaining impeccable print quality even at fast speeds. Automatic bed leveling with pressure sensing and a dual-sided PEI platform streamline setup and model removal, enhancing user convenience. With extensive material compatibility including PLA, ABS, PETG, and more, alongside smart management via the FlashMaker app, the Adventure 5M Pro caters to both novice users and seasoned creators seeking precise and reliable 3D printing solutions. Number 2. QIDI Q1 Pro 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology Q1 Pro 3D printer combines advanced features with user-friendly design, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Featuring dual Z-axis motors and a lightweight Core XY system, it achieves speeds up to 600 mm per second and rapid acceleration of 20,000 mm², ensuring precise and high-speed printing without compromising quality. Automated dual sensors enable accurate auto-leveling, complemented by intelligent filament detection that monitors filament status in real time, enhancing efficiency and reliability during printing. The printer boasts an active heating chamber with temperature control up to 60 degrees Celsius, optimizing print quality and adhesion for various filaments like ABS and PC. Easy setup allows printing within 10 minutes of unboxing, supported by a 1080p HD camera for monitoring and time-lapse recording via a mobile app. Compatible with a wide range of materials and featuring a clog-free direct extruder, it supports versatile printing needs, while an optional activated carbon air filter ensures a safer printing environment. Number 3. QIDI Plus for 3D Printer. The QIDI X Plus for 3D printer combines robust construction with advanced features, designed to meet the needs of both professionals and beginners. Featuring a large print size of 12 by 12 by 11 inches, it enables efficient batch printing, enhancing productivity. Equipped with a second-generation active chamber heating system boasting 400W ultra-high power, dual-layer insulation, and air circulation, it ensures stable temperatures for reduced warping and improved print quality, especially with high-temperature filaments. The printer supports a wide range of materials, thanks to its upgraded 80W hot end and multi-metal nozzle, capable of reaching 370 degrees Celsius. Easy to set up and operate, it includes remote printing capabilities via mobile app or QIDI Studio Slicer, alongside real-time monitoring with an HD camera. Enhanced durability features like an independent dual motor-driven Z-axis and reinforced aluminum hot bed platform ensure precision and reliability. Additionally, upcoming compatibility with the QIDI box allows for multi-filament printing, promising versatile and customizable printing solutions. Number 4. QIDI Max 3 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology Max 3 3D Printer is a high-performance machine designed for professionals and beginners alike. It boasts a large printing size of 325 by 325 by 315 mm and impressive speed capabilities with a maximum speed of 600 mm per second and acceleration of 20,000 mm². Featuring a stable all-metal frame, 6 mm aluminum heatbed plate, and advanced components like hardened steel linear shafts and a Core XY structure, it ensures smooth and reliable printing with minimal maintenance. The printer supports a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, ASA, PETG, TPU, as well as specialty filaments like carbon fiber and glass fiber, providing versatility for various printing needs. Equipped with an enclosed chamber heating system and dual cooling fans, it delivers high-precision prints suitable for intricate designs and detailed prototypes. The Max 3 also supports open-source Clipper firmware and QIDI software for remote control and customization, making it a robust choice for both professional use and experimental printing projects. Number 5. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer is a cutting-edge device crafted from metal in a sleek black design. It boasts impressive dimensions of 7 inches in diameter, width, and height, with a substantial weight of 13 kilograms. Designed for efficiency, it achieves a remarkable printing speed of up to 600 mm per second and accelerates at 20,000 mm², significantly faster than traditional FDM printers. With a large print size of 300 by 300 by 300 mm, it supports simultaneous printing of multiple models, enhancing overall productivity. Equipped with smart AI technology including LiDAR and an AI camera, it monitors prints in real time, detecting errors like spaghetti failures or debris, and offers precise auto-leveling with strain sensors. The printer ensures reliable performance with features like a high-flow dual cooling system and a robust extruder, supported by extensive after-sales service including 24/7 customer support and technical assistance.